Today I'm going to show you how to use the rectangular marquee tool, or as I like to call it, the square shaped selection tool, or rectangular shaped selection tool. So what you're going to want to do is go over here to the left side of the screen on your toolbar, hit M, or just left click on it, and then you're just going to want to drag it over whatever you want to select, and then if you right click inside the box you can see the options that you have. Right, so you can layer it via copy or cut, which are some of your basic and some of my more favorite things. You can also fill it, and you can stroke that area as well. Now up here at the very top you will see that you have some options to work with. So one of the things you can do is you can go ahead and you can switch the second selection option, which basically allows you to select 2 boxes worth of area. So you're going to be selecting, if you draw 2 boxes, you're going to be able to select what's inside that and whatever's inside the other area you went on. So this is a unique tool that you might be able to find some uses for. The third option basically allows you, if you do 2 overlapping ones, it allows whatever you selected the second time to subtract from your original selection. So this allows you to make some cool shapes. For instance, if I wanted to layer a copy of this and then move that copy around, then you would see I have this weird sort of shape right here. Kind of cool. Now, the last tool that we have right here, if you do 2 selections of this, then it'll leave what's left, right? So this, I don't really know how to tell you what to use this for, but anyhow, that's how you use the rectangular marquee selection tool.